Cleaning dust, leaves, water drops, or tight corners can be frustrating when weak blowers fail to deliver enough power or portability. That's where modern electric air blowers shine. With high-speed brushless motors, turbo fan designs, and cordless convenience, they offer powerful airflow for PC cleaning, car drying, home use, and outdoor tasks. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best air blowers of 2026. Strong, efficient, and versatile tools built for everyday cleaning and professional use. We researched user feedback and performance data to create this list. Check the description for updated prices.
Number 5. X7 Violent Blower Turbo Fan. The X7 Violent Blower is a compact yet powerful air duster designed for precision cleaning. It features a 40mm brushless motor that delivers up to 500 grams blowing force, making it ideal for PC cases, keyboards, cameras, and small electronics. With 4 interchangeable wind nozzles, it adapts easily to different cleaning needs. Despite its small size, airflow is strong and focused. The lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, while the turbofan structure boosts efficiency. A great entry-level option for detailed indoor cleaning tasks.
Number 4. ONEVAN 5500W Cordless Air Blower. The ONEVAN 5500W air blower is a versatile 2-in-1 cleaning tool designed for leaf blowing, snow removal, and general dust cleaning. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it offers strong airflow with adjustable speed gears for better control. Compatible with Makita batteries, it provides cordless freedom and long runtime. The ergonomic build reduces hand fatigue, making it suitable for extended outdoor use. Whether clearing driveways, garages, or workshops, this blower delivers solid performance and flexibility. Number 3. X70 MAX Turbo Car Dryer. The X70 MAX is a high-thrust electric air gun built specifically for car washing and drying. Featuring a 64mm turbojet fan, it delivers an impressive 2,000-gram thrust that quickly removes water from car surfaces, mirrors, and grills. Its powerful airflow also works well for garage and workshop cleaning. Designed for Makita battery support, it offers portability without cords. The sturdy construction and focused air output make it an excellent choice for car enthusiasts who want fast, touch-free drying.
Number 2. DY&LM 51,000 RPM Electric Air Duster. The DY&LM Compressed Air Duster is a portable and eco-friendly alternative to disposable air cans. Spinning at up to 51,000 RPM, it produces strong airflow for cleaning keyboards, PCs, car interiors, and hard-to-reach areas. USB charging makes it convenient for daily use, while the cordless design improves mobility. Despite its compact size, performance remains consistent and powerful. This blower is perfect for users who want a lightweight, rechargeable, and efficient cleaning solution for both home and office. Number 1. YOFIDRA 2-in-1 Brushless Turbofan Blower. The YOFIDRA 2-in-1 air blower is the most powerful and versatile option on this list. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor and turbofan design, it delivers strong airflow for dust removal, leaf blowing, and debris collection. Compatible with Makita batteries, it offers cordless convenience and extended runtime. The dual-function design allows both blowing and collecting, increasing usability. Ideal for home cleaning, car drying, and outdoor tasks, this tool delivers premium performance and durability. Electric air blowers offer fast, powerful, and cordless cleaning for homes, cars, and outdoor spaces. These 5 models deliver strong airflow, efficient brushless motors, and versatile designs. Whether for PC cleaning or heavy-duty use, there's a perfect blower here. Which one would you choose?